Hey, it's me, Zane, here again. Out here hunting, airgun hunting birds in the trees here. And right now I've only got these three birds, a robin and these two bluebirds, using Crossman Premier Hollow Points .22 caliber and my Gamma rifle, my Gamma bone collector, 1000 FPS, and my homemade shooting stick, and I'm sitting on my target. I'm shooting them out of these trees here. So, yeah. As you can see, I have a big yard. Yeah. I haven't been out here, I've only been out here for like about 10 minutes. I usually would have more, but there's not that many birds today. But yeah, so bye.